outside when I was going.
I've been wanting to do the ultimate mud truck build for a while now. I've just been ordering parts, figuring out the way I wanted to go, ordering some tires up. But all the free time I have, it's been going on this blue Bronco build. Whenever I got some free time, I'm out on the rocks crawling with this guy. It's really fun. Still got a few more things to do on this one. We're at 53 degrees now, so we got a few more steps to go till we hit the goal of 57. We're still keeping our fingers crossed for that one. But yeah, if you didn't see the videos on this one, go check it out. It's really good. It doesn't just pertain to the Bronco. It's pretty much basic for the whole Scx24 line. It's just basic upgrades and, you know, things to do to get it to crawl out there. Ultimate mud truck build, we're gonna be using the red Bronco here. And today I just wanted to go over a few basics on how I'm gonna be setting up the ESC I'm gonna be using, the motor, the heart, and the brain of it all. And how I'm gonna have it set up, and just go over a little bit on the details on how it's gonna look and how it's gonna perform. So let's get it. So the basic setup I'm gonna be running, it's gonna be the Pn90 motor on it. I have the battery tray. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but it's a battery tray flipped upside down, so you can see it hanging down low in there. So that's the original mounting hole there, and this side it had the long side to hook up. So it's flipped upside down, cut off the long bracket there. We're still utilizing the short bracket to drop it down a little bit, screwing into a stock screw hole in the back. So I'm going to be mounting the ESC and the receiver on the tray there. So it kind of looks in there. Might have to trim it a little bit here where it's touching the drive shaft a little bit. So that's a stock battery tray. We're just modifying it to fit. And that should be a good platform to mount our ESC and our receiver. What we're using is going to be the Hobbywing 1080. I got a lot of, I got about 3 of these in my 110 crawlers, and I use it exclusively on those. Brush power. This is the first time I'm going to be putting it on a 24, Scx24. So you guys can tag along with me and see how it works out. I think it's going to be good though. So how I'm going to be setting it up, I think it's going to be going right in here. It fits perfectly in there. We got the stock ESC here in comparison. So it's a little, I think it's a little smaller than the stock ESC. It's a little heavier, but I think the performance is gonna compensate for that. So I'm gonna be running it right there, as far forward as I can. I'm gonna be direct connecting this straight to the motor. I'm gonna be switching this out, the battery plug for my 3S battery. So I'm gonna be using this one so I can run 3S on it without getting the motor overheating. And I had the regular, I don't know what they call this, JFP for the stock Scx24 plug on there. So I have a lot of these lying around. I think I'm gonna cut this off and I'm gonna make it so I can hook this battery straight up to there. And then I'm gonna hook this up straight to the motor. And then I'm gonna be running the FlySky remote. It's just the old school, I think it's called the GT3, old school one. I got the LiPo mod for that. So this is gonna be, it's a waterproof. So my goal is to make it all waterproof, and I can just shoot it down when I'm done with the mud. Turn. Got a care package here from Pn90 Hobby. We're taking out this 90 turn. It doesn't have the Magnum treatment on it yet. We're gonna do the Magnum treatment on it. We got some new magnets, a couple sets of them here. The brushes. So we're gonna be using the 70 turn, and we're gonna be putting this 90 turn into the underdog build. So let me get all that hooked up and see how it runs. All right, so we got everything mounted up and running. It's actually been mounted up for about a week now. Been waiting on this Endura mud terrain tires and deep dish combo set that I ordered off eBay. It's coming over on the slow boat. Been waiting for 2 weeks. I was gonna wait till those tires to come in and shoot the whole video one time, but It's just taking too long. So ESC is great. It has a lot of speed, a lot of good low speed modulation on it. I have this ESC fan that is off of Arma Granite BLX that I have. The ESC went out, but the motor, the fan was still good. So I just got it mounted up here on the side to keep the motor cool, because when it gets in the mud, it's a lot of rotational mass that gets stuck to the tires and the motor gets a little warm. But I had these Enduro Monster Truck tires that's been sitting on my desk for about a week now for me to test out. And I was gonna wait for those tires, the other set, to come in and do it all one time, but it's just taking too long. So I'm gonna get these ones mounted up. And then we still got a few other tires too here. We got these boggers, Enduro boggers, Par Hobby Mud Boss. We got the Patagonias. Patagonias is probably for the underdog build. And then still got a lot of other stuff here. I'm gonna be swapping out the servo. Got some metal drive shafts. Probably gonna go through all the bearings, switch out all the bearings on it. And then we got still got the 30% overdrive gears. I don't think I'm gonna put it on this one. I'm gonna wait till those other rims come in. That's the Enduro dish, the deep dish ones. I got these ones here from Enduro, but they're super heavy, so I don't think I'm gonna be running on the mud truck. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this cut open. Let's just cut open right now and check it out. Man, you're waiting for this for a while, but I'm just gonna do it. Wow, I think it's gonna be good. It's not much bigger than it's probably about the same size as like the Mud Bosses or the Scramblers, but a lot wider. So rubber feels good. Yeah, you guys probably saw this. Everybody's running this on YouTube right now. But yeah, so these are the Enduro Monster Truck tires. Really good. I know they're not glued on, but I think they're gonna hold. So let me get that mounted up and then let's do a running video. Reversing a little bit faster. Nope.
Wow.
Just check it out.
Wait, it goes deepest, 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 deepest. Dad, look! Your bathroom is hot and look where my towel went. You dipped up my towel. You got digging my towel. I'm going to make it really deep. Enough water? Grab the kind of wonderful.